Welcome to Sister's Kitchen.
Welcome to all our viewers and subscribers. We want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
And today we are going to make Toto. I have my coconuts over here. They are very good. When I bought them, I thought they weren't good, man, but these are the real Jamaican coconut. You see them? They're little, but then tall, because look how thick they are. And my grater here. So I'm going to start grating my coconut now. And my grater, I bring it from Jamaica, because I can't bother with these ones here. Okay guys, my coconut is almost finished. This is the last of it to grater. And I love my grater so much. I think when I go home I have to get another one with a bigger hose. But this one is too small. The holes are too small. I like the coconut here now. I like to see they come out in longer strips. I'm going to get one with a smaller hole when I go get back down. I don't know when, sometimes. Okay guys, I'm finished grating my coconut now. And I'm going to get all the other ingredients. So that's my finish of my coconut gratering. I'm going to get all my ingredients. Okay guys, so now I'm finished grating my coconut. I have 3 cups of coconut in this. I have a teaspoon of vanilla and vanilla essence. In here I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of nutmeg and 2 cups of flour. In here I have a cup and a half of sugar and I have a stick of butter over here melted. So I'm gonna sieve my flour and my cinnamon. I love to sieve my flour. Add my sugar to my coconut. Guys, so I'm going to mix up my sugar and my coconut here first before adding my flour. Make sure everything is cooperative. Guys, please remember to like, share and comment, please. And if you are new here, welcome to our channel, to the Sisters channel. And I hope you like all the recipes that we are giving you guys, and I hope you will try them. Okay, so my coconut and my sugar. This is very nice, guys. We used to do this in back home, eh? Mix only the coconut trash and the sugar and eat it like that. I used to do that. When I was small, I used to do that. When I'm hungry, I just go grate one coconut and add in the sugar. We go take out the sugar, because if we don't take it out, if we ask for it, we're not gonna get it. So we when they turn it back, we take out the sugar and grate a coconut and eat with it. You see? All the coconut is mixed into the sugar. So I'm gonna add my flour. I'm gonna add it in 2 batches. And guys, I'm gonna use a can of coconut milk. I don't have any. You can use evaporated milk or you could use water, whatever you want. But I'm gonna use a can of coconut milk because I want my Toto to taste nice. And guys, I didn't squeeze out my coconut trash, you know. I just grate it and use it just like that. I know some people, they have to squeeze it out and whatever. No, I keep my juice in my coconuts. So I'm gonna add my butter, my melted butter. I'm gonna add my vanilla. So nice, cinnamon and the nutmeg, it smells so nice, and the vanilla. Whoa, it smells very nice. So guys, tell me how you make your Toto when you're making it. This is the way I know. Well, Spence used to make it when she used to make it. I used to grate the coconut for him and he mixed it up. I was the one who grated the coconut and he would mix it up. But he used to put his hand in there, he wash his hand and he stir it up himself. And trust me, that was the sweetest Toto he ever eat. When he's finished, trust me. The sweet potato pudding and his Toto. Oh, he will never stop eating Brother Spence potato pudding and Toto. Okay guys, I think it's liquid enough. Yeah. I don't have to add anything else to it. So I'm going to add it to my pan. No, I'm going to preheat my oven right now. I'm going to set it for 350. And I grease my pan already with some butter. So I'm going to add. Okay, so guys, I'm going to put it in my baking tin. And guys, remember to like, share and comment please. And if you are new here, welcome to our sister's channel. Back with the finished product. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes and then I'm gonna check on it and see if it's finished, and if it's not, I'll keep it there for another 5 or so minutes. So I'll see you in 30 minutes or 35 minutes. Okay guys, I'm gonna put my Toto in the oven. As I tell you, 35 to 40 minutes, and I'll come back and let you see. Okay guys, we're gonna check our Toto to see if it's baked. I get a toothpick and put inside. See, it's dry. Wow. Okay, so guys, my Toto is ready. We'll take it out of the oven. Place it over here for a little while. Let it cool down a little bit, and then we're gonna cut it after. When it's cool down, guys, I'm gonna cut it and show it to you, that you see the result of my Toto. My real Jamaican Toto. I'm going to drink it with some ginger beer when me done, you know. So girl, come back and see me eat my Toto and drink my ginger beer after. Okay guys, so our Toto is finished cooling down, so I'm gonna cut it. And guys, when the way you know that it's finished is when you put a tip inside and it come out dry, you know it's finished baking. If it's wet, you give it a couple more minutes, okay guys? I'm gonna take out the corner. Easy to come out when you put it with butter. Guys, look how moist it is. Moist and nice. Wow. So guys, I'm gonna have this with some ginger beer just now.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching.
And see you in the next video, guys. And happy holiday.